Hey guys, welcome to the next video about Pixler in our digital art class. In the previous videos, I show you guys how to adjust color, how to paint with Pixler, and how to even take the picture from the internet and put it in Pixler and resize this. Okay, so in this video, I want to show you guys a new method of actually editing a picture. Okay, so again, like your previous stuff, some of you guys might have hard time figuring out what to do. So please pay attention because there will be a few things you should remember of how to get an access to really cool editing. Okay, so let's follow my lead and I'm going to show you some cool stuff. So you guys can see, I already have my Pixlr open, but I don't have anything in it. Okay, I need a picture to edit. So I figure out what I'm going to do. I'm going to pick a landscape picture. Okay, and I'm going to change some stuff in it. So what I did, I went on Google and I've typed in my hometown of Gdynia, and recently, not so long time ago, built cool building called the Sea Towers. You guys can see there's a beach over here and this huge building over here. Okay, so I'm going to work on this picture, and my goal is going to make this Sea Towers disappear. Okay, so like in the previous video, I want to open this picture in the Pixlr. So I right click on it. I say save image as. This stuff opens. Yeah, continue JPEG, save. Okay, this shows us saved. Click X over here. Go back to my editor. Neato. So again, I'm back in the editor. File, open image. Over here, I have Gdynia JPEG. Click it and open. Ta-da! It is here. Okay, so now I want to play with that. So again, remember on my right side, on the right side over here, I have my zoom in, zoom out option. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to do, since it's a little bit smaller picture, okay, I'm going to stretch the canvas a little bit bigger, and I can zoom in so I can work on this a little bit better. Okay, so you guys can see I have my Sea Towers over here. So I have to play with this. I don't want this to, be there. I want to make this a little bit better looking. So what I'm going to show you guys today is the clone stamp tool. Okay, it is right over here, the clone stamp. Okay, so I'm going to click this. So now you guys can see that my cursor looks a little bit differently. It's not an arrow, it's like a circle, okay? So it doesn't really do anything. And if you're going to take it and click it anywhere, this will pop out. Could not use this clone stamp because the area to clone has not been defined, okay? So don't panic when that happens. Do not panic, it is okay. Let me explain that to you. Hit okay. So the clone stamp, think about this way. Imagine that. You, in order to make this tower disappear, you want to grab paint from somewhere and paint over that tower. Okay? So, in order to do that, you need to choose the color or place that you want to use as your base to cover stuff up. So, check this out. What this is asking you to do now is pick your place that you want to copy. So, this circle now, it won't do anything. If what I'm going to do now, I'm going to press the control button and check this out. All of a sudden, that cursor changed. Okay? Let me show this again. You can focus a little. If I press control, it changes. Because right now, I am in a place where I'm going to choose my source, my paint to cover stuff up. Now, I'm going to click. Okay? And it'll release the control. So now nothing happens, right? When Mr.K, nothing happens. So now check this out. I'm gonna go over my tower, right? And with the left click, check this out. You see what's happening? Whenever I click it, I can click and hold. Check this out. And you guys can see that the cursor that I've clicked before is taking all that stuff from that place of the picture and copying it on top of the towers. See? And keep on clicking, and slowly and steady, the towers are replaced with where the cursor is right now. Okay? So I can keep on clicking. I can click and hold. You guys can see what's happening. Okay? So you guys can see that the towers are slowly disappearing. Okay? I will change the source right now because you guys can see it's become a little bland. It's sticking out why it's disappearing. It looks fake. Okay? So I'm gonna click somewhere else. I'll click over here, hold Control button and click to pick new source. And I'm gonna go back to erasing. You guys can see that this blue is a little different tone and it kind of matches what I want. Okay? And slow and steady, it is disappearing. Okay? It still looks kind of meh, so let's change some colors. Nice. Okay. Now, if you guys can notice, I have this antenna over here just flying in the sky. So you know what? I will cover it with some clouds. So I'm going to go over cloud, hit Control, take some of the cloud, and cover the antenna. Boink. Like it was never there. Okay? You guys can see? So again, it's a cool thing where you guys take some paint, some source from another place in the picture and cover it up. And all of a sudden, the sea towers are non-existent. Okay? So, I showed you this right now. I hope you followed the instructions. Okay? And your job probably now, Mr. K, in real life is telling you right now, is to pick a picture from internet of your own and hopefully a landscape. Okay? Pick a picture from internet and make something disappear and make it look natural. Okay? So that's all for this video. In the next video, I'm going to show you guys even more cool stuff. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.